Hi friends, this is Manoj Kumar Yadav and I'm an artist. Although I did engineering, but art is my passion, so that's why I follow my passion. And this page is all about art and art activities. So I just made this YouTube channel for all of you guys, and here I will upload my works and will upload some tutorial videos. So this is very first video of mine, and the subject is about what drawing tools you need to start drawing. This is very basic question I always ask on Instagram. Also, I forgot to say. Please, if you want to see my artworks, you can join me on Instagram by the name sketch.manu. Again, sketch.manu. So, पहले तो अगर आपने मेरा चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो सब्सक्राइब कर लो और वो बेल आइकन बगल में होगा उसे दबा दो, जिससे कि आप जैसे ही मैं कोई वीडियो अपलोड करूँ आप उसे तुरंत देख पाएँ। एंड अपने जो भी विचार हों मुझे अपने कमेंट सेक्शन में उसे बताएं। आई विल try to solve your questions or queries, and let's start the video. So I will start from the pencil, which pencil I use. So I will show you. This is the pencil I use for drawing. This is a Staedtler pencil, and mostly I use in Staedtler 2H, HB, B, 2B, 4B, 6B, 8B. So this is all about pencils I use. And for some precaution measure, some fine works, I use them. This is mechanical pencils, and I used two of them. This is point 0.5 and this is point 0.7, and this is Rotring and this is Faber-Castell brand, and the refill I use in them is also Staedtler. So this is all about pencils I use, and I use ink pen also from the brand Artline. Artline and Faber-Castell also, some 3R Faber-Castell, 3R Artline. So these are the pencils I use, and you can see there is different grades, 0.05, 0.02, 0.01. So these are art line pens. These are I do use them for very fine detailing works like eyelids, eyebrows, moustache, beards. So and this is about pencil and pen. Now I will introduce a very important thing. These are, yes, this is Nataraj cut sharpener. So you can use them. They are very cheaper and good to use them. Okay, so and let's come on blending tools. So for blending I use paper stumps. I will tell you later a video how to make a self uh, how to make a paper stumps by yourself. And I use brush for blending also. You can see different size brush, but one thing similar in that, okay, you need if you are doing a graphite drawing, then you need a flat and round cornered brush. Although this is not a round cornered, but this one is perfect. You can see flat and round cornered brush. Okay, so I share two blending tools here. You can use cotton also for blending. This is very good, and same like cotton, you can use earbuds. I use earbuds for blending also. Anything? Okay. So now move further. Uh, let's come on erasers I use. This is normal sharp erasers that we usually found in on any artist stationery. I use this also. This is Apsara pen type eraser. I sharpened the tape. You can see, and a lead is available. You can not to worry. This is Staedtler pencil eraser. This is Tombow Mono Zero eraser. This is a don't know the I think 0.02 or what. This is a Mono Zero eraser, and refill is also available. And my favorite, this one. This is a Stadler kneaded eraser. This is very usable while drawing. I really love this eraser. And for detail work, I use this also. This is Motor eraser, and the brand is Montmartre. You can use this, or either you can use Derwent. Derwent Motor eraser also good, and refills are also available on Amazon or any artist history. So yes, eraser pass is all done. Okay. Rather than drawing tools, I just tell them you don't need to worry you should buy or not. But I just tell you, these are pencil extenders. We can use them while our pencil went smaller and smaller after some use. So you can use them. And I do a pen drawing also. So I refer a brand, Big Pen, BIC Big. These are also good pen. एंड इन सब के बाद ये आता है कि ड्राइंग को रखा कैसे जाए, स्टोर कैसे किया जाए. तो यू कैन यूज अ फिक्सेटिव. This fixative you can use for pastel, charcoal and pencil. So you can use this, and you can store them in files. This is A4 size, this is A3 size, and bigger size I think files are there. You can see how I restore them. You can see. So for more art like that, you can follow me on on Instagram by the name sketch.manu. So guys, I hope कि ये वीडियो आपके लिए बहुत ही लाभदायक होगा. एंड आप अपने कमेंट्स आप अपने व्यूज़ कमेंट करके मुझे कमेंट सेक्शन के नीचे बता सकते हैं. एंड कोई सी भी क्वेरी हो आर्ट टूल से रिलेटेड इसके अलावा, तो यू कैन सेंड मी. एंड ओके, सो आई विल टेल यू इन कमेंट सेक्शन. सॉरी, एक चीज़ मैं भूल गया. सॉरी, एक चीज़ मैं भूल गया कि विच ब्रांड आई यूज़ फॉर which brand of page I use for drawing. So I buy Brustro sheets, and they are good. They are 200 GSM, and they are very good for drawing. You can see A4 size, and you can see here, this is 200 GSM, and this is very good for drawing. Many brands are available online. It depends on you which you like to use, but I use Bristol sheets. So thank you guys, and I will start making some videos further on art topics like eyes, nose, how to draw things, how can we use things. So this is my first video on art tools. Hope it will help you a lot. So see you guys in next videos, and keep supporting artists and art. Thank you very much.